Hello viewers and my geology students. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India. We have been started a YouTube channel on the name PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. And now on this series, we have been already uploaded many videos, but especially now as per the directives of the University of Pune, FY, SYTY practicals we are conducting online and exam has to be conducted online. So students have a problem regarding the structural problem. So I have started the series for FYBSc. The structural problem A, type A has been already uploaded on PC Geo Kimberlite, which is involving true thickness, vertical thickness, and a width of outcrop. And now today we are going to see the type B problem. Now in this type B problem, what is given now? Given the direction and amount of true deep in degrees is given. The direction and amount of true deep, it is given in degrees, and you have to find out the apparent deep direction, apparent deep in degrees. Yes, so we start the problem number 1 in type B. So this is your type B, and in this one, so problem number 1 we have been solving now. A sandstone bed is found to be deeping at 30 degree along north, 30 degree along north, 15 degree east. Yes, so a sandstone bed is found to be deeping at 30 degree along the north, 15 degree east. Find the amount of apparent deep along the north 30 degree west. So you have to find out north 30 degree west apparent deep amount along this particular direction. You have to find out the strike direction. So these two things you have to find out from this problem. Now, once it is given now, with the help of the protractor as well as set square, you have to draw the parallel line. Yes, you have to draw a parallel line from the center. So for this drawing, whatever we have, this page is there exactly in the center. Now this line perpendicular to this dark line, so that we get a perpendicular line, extend and draw a complete one. So we have drawn these lines. So this is your directions. And now again in the center, perpendicular you have to draw, and so that whatever the space you are going to use, both the side, it should be a same one and it should be in the center. So these are the directions we have been plotted now. Now what are these directions? So here, whatever the top of the space is there, that will be always denoted as north, and bottom is always denoted as south. And whatever your right hand side is there, that is your east direction, and left hand side is your west. So north, south, east, west we have been already plotted now. The next one, what we have to take now? The sandstone bed is deeping 30 degree along north, 15 degree east, north, 15 degree east. So keep this protractor parallel to this line. See that north properly, you have to maintain. If slightly, if you make the mistake, you are not going to get the correct answers. Here, line can be visible, going to match. This is a transparent. Yeah. So now north 15 degree. So 10, and this is the 15 degree. So next one, north 15 degree, east we are taken now, from there 30 degree. So 10 degree, 20 degree, and this is the 30 degree. So 2 points, one at a time we have drawn. Now join these 2 points to the center. Yes, I am going to join these 2 points to the center. Yes, so this is the 15 degree we have been measured. So this is right down here, north 15 degree east. So we have been drawn. Now the next one, this is your true deep direction. Yes, so that is there. And now this point also you have to join. If you have the another pencil, use it. The another pencil I'll use here, the color one, so that you can get the difference between the apparent deep and the true deep. Yes. Now join this point to the center. See that they should be here. Otherwise, if the same color you are using, make it a dotted one. Yes, so that has to be done properly. Then the next one, what we have to do now, we have to choose a V. So now here, the scale we have to use, V is equal to 2 centimeters. V has to choose as a 2 centimeter, and now perpendicular to the north 15 degree, take the 2 centimeter to this line, 1 centimeter, and this is the second centimeter, first, second, still not, it is matching now. It is the match point here drawn. You have taken perpendicular this, so you got 1 point here. Clear? So that is the VOD you have taken as a 2 centimeter. Now what you have to do, you got this line, and now from this line draw a parallel line. Joining these two. Yes. Draw the parallel line, and the same one you have to draw a parallel line from the center. And see now these two ends should be parallel to each other. So now we are done. A bed we have drawn, now constructed. The next one, what is there? Now you have to take the angle north 30 degree west. So this side, from the north you have to measure towards the west. Keep again the protractor and see that the lower arm is exactly parallel to your east-west line. North should be perfect, matching. Yes, slightly there is a deviation there. I don't know why. Yes, marker is there, and this is a very small scale, so there will be variation will be there, slightly little bit. We'll see now. North 30 degree west. So 10, 20, and this is the 30. And now we have to draw a line which is joining these 2 points, center, and whatever angle we are taken. Yes. And this is we are taken how much? 30 degrees. Now see how much it will look nice when you are going to make out this point, and this is also we are taken the 30 degree. Now wherever they join together perpendicular to this line, now we have to introduce see everyone is matching now. Yes, parallel this line, the 2 centimeter line I made parallel to the red line, so that I can get V 2 centimeters. I mark the point, and now this point we have to draw a dotted one. Now because same color we are used for both the one. Now this angle we have to measure. So that is your answer has to find out. Second one, with respect to south, this is the sky direction, and with respect to north, this is your answer for the sky direction. So now what is your observation? The first thing which will be asked, you have to give the north 30 degree west. How much is the amount of apparent deep is there? And second one, sky direction. So sky direction, second one, amount of apparent deep. So you have to measure this one. Now are you going to measure now? I started measuring this one. With the color, we will take the black, yellow one. Use the protractor in the center. Mark out this line and measure it out. 10 is 19 degrees. So here we got 19 degrees. Might be 1 or 2 degrees. There will be variation will be there. So we have to make out. Side yes, 1 degree variation is there with the correct answer, which what we are going to get. Now the strike direction. Now keep this protractor level to this, and now see the knob has to match. So where we have the line, strike direction is here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 79. So we got 79. So this is the 79. So what we'll write? North 79 degree. Where it is there? Towards the west. Dash south 79 degree towards east. So south it is east and north it is the west. So it is 79. So here also it should be 79 because there is a straight line is there. So if you measure the angle, any one of this will give you the correct one. So this is the problem number 1. So where we are getting the strike direction, north 79 degree west, south 79 degree east, and the amount of apparent dip amount is 19 degrees. Or if you want to give in this scale, then the along north how much it is there, you have to, that is the, we already taken that 19 degree, but along this how much it is there, you have to find out. So that will be there. So this much you have to that is the north 30 degree west. So that is along the, along north 30 degree west, because we have taken with respect to this one, and this is the 30 degree. So this is the north 30 degree west, and this is the what we have addition. We are going to get this particular point is 19 degree. So this is the way the problem has been solved. Now we'll go for the problem number, second problem we'll solve. Now come to the next one, problem number 2. We can take it out. Type B. Remember, that's why we are going to write down type B. We are going to see the second problem. A gypsum bed is dipping 32 degrees. A gypsum bed dipping 32 degrees towards north 25 degree east. North 25 degree east. Find the amount of apparent dip. Find the amount of apparent dip along north 15 degree west and north 45 degree west. So this is there, and also find out the strike direction. So here the problem is given that a gypsum bed is dipping 32 degrees along north 25 degree east, and find out the apparent dip amount along north 15 degree west and north 45 degree west, and find also the strike direction. And now we have already taken in the problem number 1 B as a 2 centimeter. Now in this problem we'll take as B 3 centimeter. Now we'll see what will be change will be there. So you have to make out that things change. So 1, 2, 3 we'll see combination we can make out and see which will be the best. So 2 normally we choose. So the page will remain in the setting will be proper. Your problem will be solved within this page. So V should be 2 centimeter is the generally we are used in the solving the structural problem, but you should have a practice of V3 also, V1 also. We will make that variation. Top is the north, bottom is the south, right hand side is east, and left hand side is the west. So that is, this is the what we have the problem. Now you have to take the angle north 20 degree, north 20 degree east. So not 25 degree is. See, 0 is not. Yes, that is the line of contact. Okay. 10, 20, and this should be the 25 and 32. From here 32. So 10, this will be 20, this will be 30, and from there 32. Oh. So 32 plus 25. So 57. So directly we'll mark the 57. See now, but due to the marker, we could not get mark the point. So now 25 plus 32, 57. So this is the point will be here. Yes. Yes, this will be there. Now we have to join these 2 points. Now we will have the variation of pens. So you get the idea. Yes. So here we got, this is the north 25 degree east. This is we have been drawn, and this is your true dip direction. Come here, use the different pen. Otherwise, you have to draw the dotted line. It's not that we have the 2 pens are there. So with these 2 pens, we make out the blue pen pointer has been gone now. So this is the, we have taken the angle 32 degrees. Yes, from here in between. So now perpendicular to strike, we have to draw a D. So now 90 degree line, the center line and this line, they should be parallel together, and slowly shift it out. Shift it out. This is where you have to draw the perpendicular line. Yes, here we don't have the line, so that it should be extended, or otherwise make this way in the 90 degrees opposite and slowly come down, and see that both the points, this point, this line and this line 90 degree, they should be in the same profile. So now you're going to draw the line. See again, while making, don't make any mistake, and see that you got a center point, then draw a line that will be your strike direction. Yes, if you want, write down over there strike direction. This is SD. Yes, now V has taken 3 centimeters. So I'll take with the this particular scale 3 centimeter. Keep, I'm starting with the 5 centimeter, means 1, 2 and 3, means I have to go out of this page. 1, 2, 3. So a little bit down. Yes. Yes, yes. This will be there, the point. This will be the point. So mark the points. Now what we'll do now? We have to draw a parallel line to this straight line from these 2 points which we have been drawn. Now keep this line protractor parallel to this one. What we have, the straight line is there. This, and now come to this point where we have these 2 are there, this one and this one. They are not matching, so again come down, see to that is properly matched. Is shifting now. Yes, there will be a problem. So if you left, keep it thumb properly and shift it out, and slowly bring it to the point, and now draw a line parallel to what we have. So this is going out of the space. Yes. So we have done this one. Now it will go extend. Yes. And somewhat on the top it has come out. So I will not make out that point. So this is the way you have to make out. If the problem says that you have to extend, Yes, we have drawn the parallel. This is also SD. And now what we have to do now? North 15 degree west. We have to take the angle north 15 degree west. Here is the protractor here. Take this one parallel. Then this is the 50. Now join the center, this point. We hold on north 15 degree west. So you have to write over here. I'll use a different pen. This will be north 15 degree west. And now north 15 degree west, from here also we have to take the V as a 3 centimeter to this line. One centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Take again 1, 2 and 3. Now join these two. To the center. And now this is your angle we have to find out. And this is the one. And now what we have been done, we have not taken perpendicular. Now take a perpendicular to this line where they are united now. Right on. This is the V3. This is so yes, here we have made a mistake. This is the towards east, because one problem is given. I have thought that something is wrong here in the problem. Instead of this one, we have to take this angle 45 degree towards the east. We had a made mistake. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is the 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is the 45. And now here again we have to take the V as 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter perpendicular to this plan. 1, 2, maybe what? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and this is the 3 centimeter. Now we have to join these 2 points. Use a different pencil. And now use your V. This is your V3. So your answer will be here. This is one answer here, and second answer will be here, and the third answer will be here. Yes, the theta, that is the psi direction. So the first point, the first observation what we have to take out is the psi direction. So now measure, I'll take a transparent one. So you see how much you are going to get the psi. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and this is the 65. So 65. So that will be, your answer is north 65 degree west and south 65 degree east. So this is your first answer. Now you have to find out the second answer. That is the amount of dip along north 45 ADA along north. How much area taken? 15 degree. North 15 degree west and north 45 degree east. So you have to measure. So this angle you have to measure it out. This center should be followed. This line has to be followed together. Now you have to take the angle between these lines. Yes, between this line and this line. So now 10, 20, 29. So here we got north 45 degree, 29 degree. Come to this point. Now 10, 20, 25. So here we got a 25 degree. Now this is a 25 along what we have 25 degrees and 29 degrees. So this is the way you have to solve this problem. If you have any problem, you can write down in the comment section so that we will make a small video and your doubt on in this particular one we will be clear. So we have taken V as 2 centimeter and V as a 3 centimeter. We'll see it in the next coming problem. V also we take as a 1 and we'll see what will be there. So normally 2 as in T is a better one. Yes. Go to the problem number 3. Yes. Come to the next problem. Problem number 3 we will solve. In the problem number 3 now, what is given now? When the apparent dip in degrees and direction of apparent dip. Find the side direction, true dip direction and dip. So it is a reverse is given. Earlier one we have given you the true dip direction is given. You have to find out the apparent dip direction. But now here it is given the apparent dip dip amount is given in degrees and direction of apparent dip. Both are given. Now you have to find out the side direction, true dip direction and true dip amount in degrees. Yes, now we'll see the problem number 1. So this is called as the type B. This is the type B second one, set 2 in this problem number 2 in this, and in that we will solve the first problem. Now we'll see on a hill slope, a sandstone formation is seen to be dipping at 17 degree. A sandstone bed is dipping along the 17 degree, seem to be dipping along 17 degree along north 10 degree east, along north 10 degree east. That is the one. And second, 22 degrees and 22 degrees along north 85 degrees is east. So both will be given towards the east side. Find the side direction. As side direction you have to find out. Then true dip direction and true dip amount. Both you have to find out. Find out the side direction, true dip direction and true dip amount. I'll read out the problem. A hill slope. On a hill slope, the sandstone formation is seen to be dipping in along 17 degrees along 10 north 10 degrees and 22 degree north 85 degree east. Find side direction, true dip direction and amount of true dip. Now in this problem, we will take the scale B is equal to 1 centimeter. Yes, we will see now what is going to, we will get that particular point. Now first one, draw the perpendicular lines. Yes, whenever you draw the perpendicular lines, they should be perpendicular. Yes, 90 degree. If there is a little bit variation is there, then your problem will give variation in angles. The degrees which we are going to get, the degrees will be varies. And see that the whatever line you're drawing now, north south, it should be in the center. Yes. This is the north and this is the south. Yes, come to the next one. The side deep east-west line. Again, you have to be draw in a center. Yes. This should be your west, left, and right is towards east. So problem is on this side. Yes. So we remember now the problem we have to solve. Most of the thing will come on this side. Yes, we have to take the angle. Yes, north 10 degree east. North 10 degree east, and from there 17. 10, 15, 16, 17. This is the north 10 degree east, and this is now from there we have taken the 17 degree. I choose another pen so that we will have a correct idea. This is your how much? 17 degree. Now we have to choose V as 1 centimeter. If I take this one, on this it is very small. So I'll take the another scale V. Okay, this is for demonstration. So the scale will be the bigger side. Yes, V as which line perpendicular to this red line, 10, not 10 degrees. Keep this one, 1, and now slowly 1 centimeters we have to draw. So this is your perpendicular to the north 10 degree east we have been drawn now. Now the second one, north 85 degree east. Yes. Both compass we can use. '85 degrees. Yes, north 85 and this is the 90. So 85 will be here, and from there 22 degrees. Now we have to, from there we'll come down. If you go here, there will be lot of lines will be there and it will be confused. So we'll go down. And now from this, you have to measure how much is 22 degrees. 10, 20, and 22. 22 degrees. So here, this is the 22 degrees and this is the north 85 degree east. Now perpendicular to this, we have to introduce the V as 1 centimeter. Now you have to take the V as a 1 centimeter. Now keep 5 centimeters. Now slowly you have to shift whenever you get the distance between these two lines 1 centimeters. Yes. This is the V 1 centimeter. V 1 centimeter. Now this point and this point, from where you have taken the perpendicular, join these 2 points. Yes, join these 2 points, you get the strike direction. You'll get the strike direction. Now parallel line you have to draw from the center to get both the straight lines. Now keep this one parallel to this red line, whatever you have drawn the red line, and keep the support and slowly shift it slowly. Yes. Should not be play and there should not be the variation. Slowly shift it out till you reach. Yes, little bit shift. Again shift out. If you find there is slight shifting is there, come to the original position. See that whatever your lines you have drawn is a parallel. Then come to the center point. Center point is joining. Draw the line till these two ends at a proper place. These two ends at a proper place. So the bed will be correct. So that the line should not be, this line should not be here complete. It should be parallel and these to be parallel. Yes. So this is done now. The first, what we have, your answer, the strike direction. This is there. And this is there on this side. Yes. So here we have the north. Here to measure it out. First we'll measure towards the north side. With this compass. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 31. So we got 31 degrees. So your first answer, side direction, north 31 degree west and south 31 degree east. Both should be 31 degree. Any one if you measure it is enough. If you make out the counter check, you can make out. Otherwise, it is a straight line. So 180 degrees. So whatever angle you got, same angle should be on this side. Yes, so that is there. So first we have got it now. Second one, you have to find out the true deep direction. And third one, true deep amount. So you have to find out in degrees. Something wrong. Yes, I have to make check out the strike direction 10, 20 degrees. Yes. So with this compass it is coming 31. But in this sheet where we have solved the problem, yes, it should be 35. Check it out properly. Yes. Upper side we have taken 10, 20, 30, 32. Yes. It should be 35. Check it out. Why it is there? Because upper side I have taken with that transparent one. Degrees are different because this is for the demonstration they have been prepared. The next one, the deep direction you have to find out. Deep direction and deep amount. So what we have to make out? Now you have to take the perpendicular to the strike. Take this line 6 centimeter parallel to the strike line in the center, and now from here draw your line and little bit extend because your compass is a bigger one, so you have to go a little bit ahead. Yes, so this is your true deep direction. So north and this is east. So you have to measure this angle. How much is that? So if your protractor, I will not use the transparent one. One itself the glass. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $50, $60. So it is 60. North 60 degrees towards east. north, 60 degree towards east. We have been got. From here also take a perpendicular, and V has to be introduced 1 centimeter. Yes. So this is there only. This is your V 1 centimeter, and this angle will be your 2D amount. So you have to measure this angle between these two lines. So here the answer is 25 meters. So this is the way you have to find out the problem. Yes, slightly here due to this particular wood, it will be a variation is there, but and the second one marker is a very broad, and due to this there will be 1 or 2 degrees variation will be there. You have to check it out. I'll be scan all the problem which are solved and uploaded on the Google Classroom, and affiliated departments of Savitribai Phule University. I circulate with the head of the department so that they can share these particular scan copies of this problem to the students so that they can get the benefited from this particular problem. Yes, we'll go to the next one, problem number 4 now. So this will be type B5, and in that second, and now we are solving the second problem. Yes. So the shell bed is dipping 20 degree. Shell bed is dipping 20 degree along south, 30 degree west, and 25 degree along south, 50 degree east. Find same one, strike direction, true deep direction, and true deep amount. So these three we have to find out. And now we will see the, as usual, we will take as a 2 centimeters. Yes, here it is not proper. This one is a proper one. Joints and it ends properly. Both the lines are parallel. Now draw the line that will give you in the center your north on the top and south on the bottom. Similar one, center point here 35, so 70. So that is the half center. So we can do it. This is the west towards left hand side, and east will be on your right hand side. So that's once you have drawn this one, now directly go and find out the south 30 degree west and add in 20 degrees. So from there you have to take the 20 degrees. So that comes the south. South now 50 degree west. So 2 points you have to take out. South 30 degree west. 10, 20, this is the 30. South 20 degree, sorry, it is the north. That's the problem. See now. If you make the mistakes, rub it out properly, don't keep any track. So examiner, yes, so properly plan. Yes. 10, 20, and this is your 30 point, and from the 20, 10, and this is the 20. So these 2 points you are drawn. At the same time, south 50 degree east. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the 50, and from the 50, 25. 10, 20, and this is the 25. At one point, we have drawn all the 4 points. Now, join these 2 points on the centers. This is what we have got, south 50 degree west. This is the south 50 degree east, and from there the 25 degree this side, and this side is a 20 degree. Now join with a different pen. Yes. We have joined. Yes, little bit shifted point. Okay. Now take as a V 2 centimeter from this line, and this line take a on that line. So take the protractor on 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter 2. So you have to go down. Yes. And now you got the point here, and now you've taken V 2 centimeters, and from here also 2 centimeters perpendicular to this line, 1 centimeter and 2 centimeters perpendicular to this. V should be 2, and we are taken perpendicular to this V 2 centimeter. So these 2 points, if you join, we get the strike line. Strike line will go with the red. Yes, and you see now joining it properly. Now we have to draw a parallel line, straight line from the center. Yes, perfect. Yes, shift it slowly to the center. Press them. Now this side they are correct, but this side you have to little bit extend to here. Yes. So now both strike lines we have drawn. Now the problem we have to study now. Sandstone shell bed is dipping 20 degree south, 30 degree west, and 25 degree along south 50 degrees. That we are done. Now you have to find out the first answer, the strike area. This is your strike line. So it is too much now. So you use the blue one. Yes, this is your strike direction, and this will be the another one. Yes, so this is your measure. Yes, we'll one by one we'll measure, and we can write down the answers. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72, 73. So we got 73. So the first answer. Now your answer should be, we'll write on the top, wherever the space is there, write down north 73 degree east and south 70 degree west. So this is the way we have to write down. Yes, slightly 1 or 2 degrees variation is there. With the answer, check it out yourself. Then the second one, you have to take the perpendicular to the stripe from the center so that you can get the true dip direction. Now, perpendicular. This is true dip direction. Now from here again you have to take a 2 centimeter and get the true dip amount. So perpendicular to this. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. You can take on that side, other side also you can measure it out. Now join these two. Now this is your answer, you will find out. And this is your answer, we have to find out. This with the protractor, keep in the center. Yes. Now, it is not coming on the line. Protractor is very big, so line has to be extended down. This starts with this variation is very nice. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it is a 23. True dip direction is 23. Yes. So we are doing out a little bit variation is there. Then the second one, find out this angle. Ten, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So it is TDA 20. Yes, this is correct, but one point has been variation is there. So this is what we have. The type B second part we have been covered. So up till now we have been solved 4 problems. Type 1 from the B type. Problem 1 we have seen. Type 1 we have seen. Then we have seen the type 2. We'll see that. Stop here because we have already whatever we have the problems are there in the degrees in type B 1 and 2. Two problems we have solved, and the next one the instead of degrees the gradient is given, and we will try to solve that gradient, and then we'll go for the last one, what is the 3-point problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.